Hi, we are Jan and Yukari. We are a German-Japanese couple with a big dream to turn our van into a mobile home and explore the world. This van build is the beginning of our adventure. So, today we are making the floor. First we make the frame, no? And then screwing the wood onto the frame. In the frame we will also screw into the car. And we will make sure that it's not rusting, so we put some different types of sprays underneath, yeah? If we can do this one today, that would be great already.
そうだね。
Nicht so schlecht aus, ne?
Ja, ne? Am besten so auf dem,
Ja, das wäre am
drauf.
besten, wenn du ihn triffst, aber wenn er in der Schräge die weg.
Ja, wird er wahrscheinlich nicht.
Ja. Ich würde sagen, dass der Bohrer scheiße stumpf ist, ne? Also besonders scharf ist er nicht. Ja, der ist genau mittig.
Ja.
Das ist gut. Ja, Gar nicht schlecht, ne?
das ist perfekt.
So, da haben wir es.
Ja.
Ja.
Sau gut, ja.
Gut.
So strong. Ich bin ziemlich sicher sogar. Good, yeah?
そうだね。
Whoa.
大丈夫かな。
Whoa.
ね。うん。
It will break.
うん。
I can break it now, like this, yeah? And the here. Whoa!
やばいね。
I just keep cutting, yeah?
Keep cutting here. Oh! いいね。
Hey! One is also not
うんうん。
ドリンクを
ドリームコーナー。Let's go. What is this?
This is sheep wool, in German Schafswolle, and in Japanese Hitsuji wool. It's 3 centimeters thickness. It's not very thick, but maybe quite good. Yeah. So, domo arigato sheep.
ありがとう。
We will put you in our car. So right now Yukari is making the floor isolation. She's using sheep wool, and we finished the frame already. Next step will be to put our Dampfbremse, which is in English a steam brake. So about 30 minutes later, we put our precious steam brake. I don't know, it's this English word, Dampfbremse in German.
Let's say thank you to SIGA.
Oh yeah. Danke SIGA.
Danke.
High quality stuff. Durable. From Switzerland since 1966. Thank you so much for your help and your support. We put it, and we are quite happy. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, then we will put the wood now, right? Yay! I bought this screw here. It's metal screw, but I think I can use also.
これです。
We didn't show so many things yet.
これです。
すごい。
いいね。
But I do this. This is the fun part, right? Tight. We forgot to film the end result, but it was also not our last video, so next time you can see how it looks. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Your engagement is our motivation. Thank you.